Hi, I'm Reina from Olymtech Group.
Hi, this is Audrey from Olympic Group. Welcome to our live show. We are the professional oxygen generator, nitrogen generator, school air compressor, and the dryer factory located in China. And today, Reina, we want to show our friends our oxygen generator factory. Yes. So now we are in our factory, and we will take you guys to go around the factory and show you how we produce the oxygen generator. And of course, we want to show you why you should choose our oxygen generator, right? As you can see now, now it is outside of our factory. You will see that there are a lot of 14 feet high cube container in here. How many units the container in here?
Let's calculate.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 pieces of the 14 feet high cube container in here. So some of them they are already finished the production. Some of them they are still commissioning.
And
the
testing.
Equipment. Yeah, testing. So follow us, and we will show you more details. Okay. So this 40 feet high cube, normally we will put how many cubic-meter per hour the oxygen generator inside?
About 40 to 60 kilometer per hour oxygen generator can put inside the 40 high cube containers.
Okay. Of course, we also have the smaller one. The 20 feet container. We will put the 20 feet container. We can put the 20 cubic meter per hour and also the 30 cubic meter per hour. The generator, the oxygen generator set inside. So many friends want to know what's inside. Maybe Reina, you go with our camera to show inside what is it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so please, camera please, go with Reina to show inside what we have in the container.
Okay, and now follow us and we will show you the 40 feet oxygen generator container. And this is the 50 kilometer per hour oxygen generator, which have already set, all the system has already set in the container with the air compressor, air tank, and then the air dryer, oxygen generator, and the booster.
Okay.
And it can fill 10 cylinders per hour.
Okay, so 1 hour it can fill in 10 bottles of the cylinder, right?
Yes.
And how many capacity for the cylinder?
It's 40 liters per cylinder.
Okay, as I know, 40 liter it is the international standard specification for the cylinder. Okay, and how about some customer will ask, how about the connection for our bus bar? I remember for the connection, it is shoot for all the international standard cylinder. It is a G58 connection, the size. So it can use for all the cylinders in the international.
40 liters and 50 liters are all is okay.
Yes, and also I want to show all our friends what we do for the detail for our container type. You can see that in the ground we show we use green color, blue color to show the road in the container, so it looks very beautiful, right?
And have the attention line.
Yes, you're right. And also you will see the bus bar, we have the stainless steel sheet to fix it in the wall. Yes. So it is very stable. Of course, we already connect the cable. We already connect the cable, the power, before we delivering the container. So when you get the container, you just only need to connect the power, then you can use it at once. Or we fix it in the wall, so it looks beautiful and very stable. Okay. Okay, Reina, so please show us one by one what we have in our container.
Okay. And you can follow me to have a look in our air compressor, and then follow the tube. We will go into the wet air tank to reserve the compressed air, and then the filter, and we will go into the air dryer to remove the water. Then we equip with 4 line air filters to remove the dust, oil, and water. And then we will go into the dry air tank. And here is our oxygen generator.
Yes.
You can see here it's very big,
Yes.
because it's the 50 kilometer per hour type.
You're right. Okay. So I think it is our designer. It is very, very professional. You see that it is almost near the container. So
Yes.
we design it. It is 100 perfect fit for our 40 feet high tube container. Okay, and what's this of these 2 tanks, Raina?
This 2 tank is used. This one is used for testing the purity of the oxygen, and also reserve the oxygen to protect our
Booster.
our booster.
Okay, so these 2 oxygen tank, right? Oxygen
Yes.
tank, yes. So oxygen tank, we use the material is different from our normal compressed air tank. Okay, it is a more longer service life for the normal air tank. And this
Yes.
is the oil-free booster, oil-free oxygen booster. It can make the
Right.
pressure reach to 115 bar, and then it can filling the cylinder in here. Okay, so many friends maybe they are interested how our whole system, how to operation and how to filling the cylinder, right?
Yes.
So next of us, we have 1 container. It is now testing in our factory.
Yes.
So camera, because in there the noise is very loudly, so we not talk anymore in beside the container. Our camera just go inside and have run, yes, to check it. Okay. Okay, please, our camera go to our next container. Okay, so this is our 40 feet high cube oxygen generator container, and this model is the 15 cubic meter per hour. Okay,
Yes.
so how about we go to our factory and have a look?
Yes.
So how we produce our oxygen generator, and when we produce, how we control our quality. I think
Yes.
many friends want to know that.
Yes. I also have an interest in it.
Okay. I believe in China there are a lot of factories they are produce the oxygen generator, but for our Olympic brand, we are the professional in the gas production equipment. So camera, please show around our factory to our friend. So now we are in our oxygen generator factory. The place it is located in the Suzhou, China. We also have a factory to mainly produce the school air compressor in Guangdong. Yes. So we have several factory in China. So each factory they produce the products are different. So you will see that now we stock in here many different model. We can produce the oxygen generator from 5 cubic meter per hour to 300 cubic meter per hour. So here after testing, and they are waiting in here for package, and then we will delivery to the domestic market and also for the overseas market. For the small model, you will see that we can package with the paywood case.
Yes, this is a 30 kilometer per hour
Okay.
one.
Yes. This is the booster. Yes.
Oh.
Booster.
Yes.
Okay. And for now, because the requirement in the market, it is a lot. So we already stock our generator, oxygen generator tower in here. So I want to introduce for our friend. Actually, we have a special design for our tower. You will see that maybe you can compare with the other brand. Other brand, the tower, the top, they are not flat. But we make it flat. Do you know why, Raina?
Don't know.
Okay, because we want to try our best maximum to load the CV inside. Yes. So our tower, although our tower, the size are smaller than other brand, but actually inside the CV is more than other brand. So why we want to try our best to put the maximum CV inside? Of course, have more CV, the efficiency will more better. Yes, the oxygen capacity, the airflow of the oxygen, and also the purity of the oxygen, also more better. Yes. Okay, so this is the stock for the tower of the oxygen generator. It is not finished, so just stock in here. Once we get the order, we will assemble it at once. And of course, we also stock many tank. The tank for the normal complexity air, and also for the oxygen. Yes, for the oxygen, and also can for the nitrogen. And we also stocked many air dryers. Yes, air dryers. Air dryer also very important because in our complexity air actually has a lot of the water. Yes. After it compressed, the water will go outside, right? So we must need to use the refrigerated air dryer or the abstraction air dryer to get rid of the water, right? Okay, so many size, we have a big size or the small size, and in here it is the cylinder, oxygen cylinder. Yes, this is the 14 liter.
Yes. So if you need the cylinder, you can also order from us.
Yes. So welcome to inquiry. We also have the oxygen cylinder. Yes, this is the international standard. So each cylinder, it will have the rubber like this. So we can put many level. Yes. Okay, because now it is the lunch time in our factory, so all our staff is going to have the lunch, so it's more quiet, so we can go around and show our friend our factory. So you also can see that we will produce in this area. So we are the professional factory to produce the oxygen generator and the nitrogen generator. The airflow we can offer is 5 cubic meter per hour to the 300 cubic meter per hour. And the purity we can reach to 93% and above. Yes. And the pressure, we have two types of the pressure for option. What's that?
5 bar and 150 bar. 150 bar is used for filling the cylinders, and 5 bar can be used directly in the sick room.
Yes. So you can let us know how many hospital the bed they have, okay? And then you can offer this parameter to us. We will calculate how many capacity. Yes. For example, this day you got an inquiry. The customer asked about is a 180
bed in their hospital.
Yes. So we calculate, actually recommend which model to them.
Actually, 10 cubic meter per hour is already enough for them. But now we have stock. We have some popular models in stock. So maybe if you order the 20, 30, and 50 kilometer per hour oxygen generator, the delivery time will be very fast.
Oh, okay, okay, we got it. Okay, so because these three models are the popular in the market, right?
Yes.
20 kilometer per hour, 30 kilometer per hour, and the 50 kilometer per hour.
Yes.
So there are two kind of the pressure can for use option. One is the 5 bar can use for the hospital sick room directly. Another is the 115 bar to filling the cylinder. Just we check outside our container.
Right.
Right. Okay. So here is the factory, one of the workshop. Okay. And we go to another workshop.
Yes.
So in our first factory, we have 3 workshops and 1 office building.
Right.
So later we will go to our second factory, also very near here, because in this place you already saw it. There are many products in here, right?
Yes.
So here is for the spare part. We will stock in here, and also the electricity box we assemble it in here. And because now our staff have lunch, so no people in here, but I think better because not too noisy, right?
It's better for our live show.
Yes, so we can take our friend to go around our factory
Yes.
to check. Although now you cannot come to China, but no problem. we can have a live show. Oh, okay. Here also many container. Yes, it is waiting in here for assembly. We'll put our oxygen generator system inside it, right?
Right.
Okay. And this place we will welding in here, assembly in here. Normally, not only the container type, we also can offer the base type to our customer. Okay, and there are many big air tank. Actually, we make a lot of domestic big projects in China. Yes, so you will see that for the overseas market, maybe we cannot ship for the bigger size, right? But in the domestic market, we successful for many big projects.
Yes.
So you can see the tank, it is very high. So Rainer, you stand beside it and check how tall of the air tank.
You can see I am very small when I stand in front of the air tank.
Yes, yes. So this is for the domestic market, not for the overseas market.
Yes.
And some projects will do like that because some customer they want the container. It is side open the door. So we will put it on the base first, and we make the container by ourselves. But of course, this one it is not shipped for the overseas market because
it's not the standard container.
Not the standard container cannot ship. So for the overseas markets model, we just can use the international standard container and put our equipment inside. Okay, and this is the base type. I just mentioned. We will put all the equipment in the base, and then the forklift can move the space to everywhere at once. So it is very easy, convenient, and also we will connect all the piping before our delivery.
Right.
So the customer, they get it, they just connect the power, then can use at once. So very
easy for operation.
Yes, you're right. Okay. So in our first factory, we have 3 workshops and 1 office building. So later we will go to our new factory, the second factory, also very near here, right?
Right.
Yes. In there, it is a new space. So it is not finished for the production line.
Yes.
And this is the outside of the container. Wow, it is very windy today. Yes. So each container, we will have a big fan for it. Because when our machine it is operation, it's inside the temperature it is high.
Yes.
So we must have a good ventilation for the whole container. So here we will have a big fan. When the machine is running, it also will run and take out the heat. Yes, this is our design. And inside also we have a light. Yes,
it's a very good design.
So although it is running at night, it's no problem because inside have a light. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So actually we can provide many kind of the oxygen generator, nitrogen generator, and also other gas generator in our factory. So if you have any inquiry, please must contact with us.
Yes, and we will choose the right model for you.
Yes, you are right. So we are from the Olympic Group, and we are the professional oxygen generator, nitrogen generator, air compressor, air dryer, air tank, air filter factory in China. So we already have more than 70 years experience to produce the machinery and export to the overseas markets, right?
Yes.
And we already export to 74 countries around the world.
Yeah.
So we believe if you choose us, it is the best choice, right? Okay. The oxygen generator, now we have which model in stock?
We have 20, 30, and 50 km per hour in stock, and both 5 bar and 150 bar for your option.
Okay. Of course, price good and also quality is good. So
Yes.
Contact with us right now for more detail. Okay. So so now I think we should go to our second factory, right? And show more detail to our friend. Okay, so see you later in our second factory.
See you later.
Okay, after we see our first factory, how about we go to our second factory, Reina?
Yes.
Let's go. Yes, follow us. Okay, actually two factory it is not so far. Just I think maybe 3 minutes, right?
Yes, it's not very far.
Yes. So because the first factory, the place it is not enough, and our production it is very busy.
Yes.
So our boss bought the second factory near the first factory.
Yes, because you know the epidemic is very crazy now, and so the need of the oxygen generator is very great need now.
Yes. So we want to show you this is our industry zone area in China. I believe many friends very missing China. These 2 years, many our customers said that they want to visit China and want to see us soon. So we hope everything will be will cover very soon, and then we can meet in China in our factory again.
Yes.
Okay, so here is the industry zone in China, and our oxygen generator and the nitrogen generator, the factory, it is located in the Jiangsu, China. Okay, so later once we get into our second factory, we will show you more detail. Welcome to our second factory, and just now we just visit our first factory, yes, for the oxygen generator, and now we are go to our second factory. So you can see that this is our new place for the second factory.
It's very big.
Yes, and also we have a 4 warehouse in here.
Yes.
4 workshop in here. But of course, because it is a new place, so not finished for our production line, right? Yes. But in this 4 workshop, we are mainly to produce is the oxygen generator, right?
Yes.
Yes. And in our just now we already recommend to our friend or our friends in our first factory we are mainly produce the nitrogen generator and the oxygen generator, right?
Yes.
Yes, because today it is very,
Very
cloudy, very
Yes.
windy, right?
Yes.
Yes, has the rain in here. So maybe we go inside our workshop and have a look. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, let's go. So we are the manufacturer to mainly produce the oxygen generator and the nitrogen generator. As you can see, this equipment is the 20 cubic meter per hour.
Yes.
20
Oxygen generator.
Yes.
This is.
With the booster. So Rina, could you please introduce to us more detail of this equipment? It includes what's the part. So could you
Okay.
please introduce to our friend?
Yes. And you can see here the air compressor and the air dryer. And this is our oxygen generator. You can see here. And you can see here the booster, which can press the pressure to 150 bar.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So how about this one?
This is the bus bar for filling the cylinders. You can see
to
here.
filling the
yes.
oxygen cylinder.
The-
Okay, so
yes.
so for the 20 cubic meter per hour, could you please share the information to us? How much bottle for the cylinder it can filling per hour?
It can fill 4 bottles per hour of the 40 liters.
Okay,
yes.
40 liter. So each hour for the 20 cubic meter per hour, our oxygen generator with the booster can filling
Yes.
4 bottle per hour. And how about the 13 cubic meter?
For the 13 cubic meter, we can fill about 6 bottles per hour.
Okay, and the 15.
15 can fill 8 bottles per hour.
Okay, okay. So you can see that actually we have many model of our oxygen generator, and
Yes.
just give us the inquiry and we will give you the professional suggestion. Right?
Yes,
Okay.
right.
Maybe we continue to go around our factory because this is the new factory. So the production line it is not finished.
Yes, but we can also have a look the container type.
Okay, this is the container type, and now our worker it is almost finished the production.
Yes, you can see here almost all the system has been set.
Yes, we will put all the equipment inside the container, so easy for shipment.
Yes.
Also, it can move to any place you want.
Yes,
Right?
yes, and you can operate the machines when you plug the electricity.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so camera, please follow us to go around. You will see that we have abstraction air dryer in here. This is for the abstraction air dryer.
Right.
Yes, and also the refrigerated air dryer. We will
Yes.
make it in a set. We will make it in a set like this. The abstraction air dryer and the refrigerated air dryer and also the light air filter. We will combine them in one set. After that, we will put into the container.
Yes.
So actually in China we make a lot of projects to the Chinese company.
Right.
A lot of the Chinese company they use our equipment, use
Yes.
our oxygen generator and also the nitrogen generator. Now you will see that our worker it is adjust the valve. Adjust the valve of the oxygen generator.
Right.
And we also produce the large capacity, the oxygen generator, same as this one. Okay.
Right. You
Yes,
can see
camera
there.
can show to there. That one is a 160
Yes.
cubic meter per
Per hour.
hour.
Right.
Yes. so it's a big one. But
Right.
for the overseas market, I'm not suggest bigger like that because,
Yes,
it is too high.
Right.
Right?
And
It is
we
too
can't
high.
set it into the container.
Okay, maybe
to
we
ship
stand beside the oxygen generator so our friend can see how big is it. Yes.
Yes.
So you can see. Okay, you will see that it is very high. Okay, camera please go back. You will see that actually the oxygen generator, this is 116.
Right.
So
It's very high.
We are maybe the 1/3, right? 1/3 of it.
Yes.
For the overseas market, we not suggest order the bigger like this. You can separate 2 units or 3 units,
Right.
Yes, for the 15 or the 16 cubic meter per hour.
Right.
Yes, so easy for the shipment. Otherwise, it is too high, cannot put inside the container.
And are there any advantage for 2 units of the machines?
Yes, of course. This is a good question, Lina. Because for the 2 units, the first one, it is easy for the shipment, right?
Right.
And the number 2 is if one machinery, one equipment need to do the after-sales service or need to repair it or have the problem, another one still can help you to continue to produce the oxygen to you.
Yes. So one rest and one can work also.
Yes, you're right. So now we go to the second workshop to see. Okay, so here the workshop, this is for the finished oxygen generator. So
Yes.
we will checking in this workshop, we will stock in this workshop and also package in this workshop.
Yes.
Okay, you will see that. Okay. Okay, you will see that here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 set of the oxygen generator. Okay, this is another color, Reina.
Yes.
So we can offer what service for our friend?
We can offer OEM and ODM service to our customers, and you can change the color or design your
Logo.
The logo, right?
Yeah, okay, so this is the gray color. This is custom from our customer. Okay, so you will see that our oxygen generator camera maybe can more close to our machinery. You will see that the painting, it is very beautiful and
Right.
smooth, right? So also the welding points in here also look very smooth. Yes, and high quality. Of course, it is very strong of our product.
Yes.
And also for this set, we call it the base time. What's the base time mean? That means we will put some equipment in one base.
Yes.
Yes. For example, we put the oxygen generator.
And the air tank.
Okay, two air tank, right? And also we will have the line air filter in here, right?
Yes.
And put all in the one base. So our forklift can move it to any other place. It is
Yes,
very
easy.
easily convenience.
Yes.
Yes. So now for the oxygen generator, we have what model in stock?
We now have 20, 30, and 50 models in stock.
Okay.
So once you order our machines, we can arrange the shipment and
As
arrange.
soon as we can, right?
As soon as we can.
Yes. We also have the white color. White color is our original color. Okay.
Yes.
So you will see that before we paint our product, our worker will use the film to rub all the valve and the testing meter, right?
Right.
Ensure the painting, it is very beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see this is also the oxygen generator. And one thing I want to show our friends, for the line air filter, we insist to use 5 pieces line air
Yes.
filter to get rid of the oil,
Water.
the water and the dust, and
Yes.
also the particle, right?
Yes.
So ensured our oxygen it is clean
And purity.
Yes, very
Yes.
purity. You're right. So I know that some brands, because they want to reduce their cost, so maybe they just use 3 or 4 pieces. But we insist to use 5 pieces
Right.
because we believe that the oxygen it is for brave. So we must need to ensure it is very safety.
Yes. And also, the oxygen need to get into our booster. The booster is not available for the oil and water.
Yes, yes. And the booster we also use is the oil-free type.
Yes.
Oil-free type oxygen booster. Okay, we also have another color. So this is customized for another user.
Yes.
Okay. So here I want to show you is our small model,
Right.
5 cubic meter per hour with the oxygen booster. Okay, so the pressure also can reach to 150 bar, 150 bar to filling the cylinder, right?
Yes.
So I will show all our friends what's included in this space. First of all, of course, is the air compressor, right? The school air compressor. Okay, so here the school air compressor, after that, it will go to this air tank. Okay, so you will see the pipe, it will go to this air tank for stock the compressed air. After that, it will go to the first line air filter in there. This filter mainly to reduce the water. Okay. After that, it will go to the refrigerated air dryer to get rid of 98% of the water, and then the air will go more dry, right?
Yes.
Then they will go to 4-line air filter in there. 4-line air filter. Yes, yes. Our engineer, it is very sweet. You see, they all make the notice in there and ask our user must need to drink out the water 1 day per time, right?
Yes.
Okay, after that, after go through the 4-line air filter, it will go to the dry air tank in there. Dry air tank. This taller one is the dry air tank. So in here, the compressed air, it is very dry and clean. Okay. After that, it will go to our oxygen generator, and then we will get the oxygen, right?
Yes.
After that, we go to okay, let me to check the booster, right? Okay, we have a look.
Here you can see here. You want to find the filter, right?
No, I want to find the oxygen. No problem. Okay. After that, it will go to the oxygen tank in here,
Yes.
and then it will go to the booster. The booster, it will make the pressure from 5 bar to 150 bar, and
Yes.
increase the pressure. And then it will go to the okay. It will go outside for the 150 bar. The
Bus bar.
yes. It will
For
go to the
filling.
bus bar, and then
Here.
we can filling the cylinder, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we also have the stainless steel air filter to cooling the battery. Okay, so this is the small model we have. It's for the 5 cubic meter per hour. We also make it to the base time, so easy for shipment and easy for transportation.
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Before we pack the paywood case, we will work with the film. Yes, the film package it first, and then we will use the paywood case to pack it, so it can protect our equipment. although the long time shipment, it also can have a good protection.
Yes.
Okay, so follow us to the last workshop. Maybe we go from this way. You will see that inside we have a lot of container inside.
Yes.
So what's this container for, Rina?
It's for set the oxygen generator and the whole set, the whole set oxygen generator.
Okay, so we will put the oxygen generator inside the container, right?
Yes.
So why we should use the container type?
Because with the container, we can put the system outside your factory because some customers maybe have a small factories and they can place the oxygen generator outside.
So not occupy the factory space, right? And
right.
also there are many. Okay, it's very noisy. Many hospital, they are just a temporary use hospital.
Yes.
So we can put the oxygen generator container beside that hospital. So
Yes.
it can put outside, although have the raining or shining, no problem. Yes.
Yes.
And you will see that all this container, it is very heavy. All this container is the international style container. It is same as the container we use. So we just buy it and also modify it, because you will see that now this container, this is the new one container, don't have the fan, don't have the light. So later you will see we already modify some container in here. So this is not start the production.
Yes.
So we can see the white one. Okay, you see this one? Our worker already finished the
Fan.
yes, to add the fan in here.
Yes.
So why do you know why need to add the fan, Rina?
I don't know. Maybe you can.
Yes.
You can produce to us.
Because when our air compressor and the oxygen generator it is running, it will create the temperature.
Yes, it's
high
very
temperature.
heat,
Yes,
right?
it is very heat. Especially it is used outdoor. So we will make a fan in here and give some fresh air to go inside the
understand.
container and reduce the temperature. Yes.
Okay.
So this also another container. Now we have a full container in here. It is waiting for put the oxygen generator inside.
Yes.
So you see our worker, it is work very hardly. Yes. And it creates our oxygen generator. All the size it is fit for the container style.
Yes.
Okay, this is the 20 feet container. So for the 20 feet container, what model we can put inside?
The small, maybe the smaller models. For example, the 20 to 30 kilometer per hour oxygen generator can put inside.
Yes.
For the larger one, for example, the 50 and 60 kilometer per hour need to place in the 40
feet high Q container.
Yes.
So actually we recommend our customer to order these three model, because these three model it is our popular model, right?
Yes.
We have the stock, so we can give you very fast delivery time.
Yes.
And also these three model is the popular and more people use in the market, and also it can fulfill the market requirements, because for the 20, 30 and 15 it can filling the bottom per hour. So maybe Reina, you repeat again for the 20 cubic meter, 30, 15, how many bottom it can filling per day?
Okay. For the for the 20 kilometer per hour oxygen generator, we can fill 4 bottles per 4 bottles per hour.
Yes.
And for the 30 kilometer per hour, can fill 6 bottles. And for if you need the 40 kilometer per hour, we can.
Okay, maybe
we
camera
can
go around. Yes.
Yes. We can fill 8 bottles. And for the 50, can fill 10 bottles.
Yes, you're right. So not only the container type, we also can make the base type. Base type, that means without the container.
Yes.
And also we can offer without the booster. So depend on the requirement, depend on your requirement. If you are interested in our oxygen generator, please contact with us right now. Our sales team, it is waiting for you for your inquiry, and the price, it is very good. Okay, I see that has the container in there.
Yes.
Maybe I asked our engineer to open and let us to check, but I think it is not finished. Maybe you two to go there first.
Yes.
Okay.
We can go here to see the container first, and Audrey will find the worker to open the container to let us have a check. Let me check whether I can open the container by myself. Okay.
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 呢個都要咁樣係嘛？
You can see this is also the 20 kilometer per hour oxygen generator.
But this one, it is not finished. Yes, and also not clean it. Later, just now in our first factory, we already show you it's our finished container type. Yes. So this is the 20 cubic meter type. You will see that we will put all the whole system inside the container, right?
Yes.
And we already connect all piping and connect all the cable. So once you get the container, just connect the cable in here. Just connect the power. Just connect the power in here, and then we will have the on-off switch in here, and also the running light. And then the fan will run, the light will on, and the machine also will operation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so it's very easy for operation.
Yes, very easy. No need to installation again. We will help you to do all the things before we deliver it. All the piping connection, all the power, we will connect. Okay. And you will see. Actually, we do it very carefully. For the cable, we will fix it in the container type. So although you ship the container, it's still in the same place.
Yes.
So very safety, right? Okay. So here is the air compressor. Here is the air compressor, and also this is the tank for storage, the compressed air, right?
Yes.
And the 5 filter. Okay. The air water separator, and then we will go to the refrigerated air dryer. After that, it will go through 4 pieces line air filter to get rid of the oil the dust.
Water.
Yes, and this is the clean and dry compressed air tank. Okay, after that, the compressed air, it will go to the oxygen generator to make the oxygen. The oxygen will go to this oxygen tank. This oxygen tank, it is different from the normal compressed air tank. Inside, the material is different. Okay, and then it go to the stainless steel air filter, and it will go to another oxygen tank.
Yes.
Why we have 2 oxygen tanks? Because we want to ensure the pressure it is very stable.
Yes.
And also it can prolong our booster lifetime, because the booster it will absorb the air secondly. So we don't want to from the first oxygen tank, we make it in the second oxygen tank.
Yes, so it also a system to produce the
prolong the service life.
service.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So after oxygen booster, the pressure it will increase to 150 bar. Okay.
Yes.
And then it will go to the
Bus
bus bar. So we can fill in the cylinder in here. So this is the 20 cubic meter per hour style.
Yes.
Okay. So now we also, it is every day to produce this style. So if you are interested in it, welcome to make an inquiry at once. Okay.
Yes.
So it is very heavy and very strong.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I believe after you check our live show, you will find that we are professional oxygen generator factory in China, right?
Yes.
So if you are interested in our product, don't hesitate anymore. Just send us the inquiry. We
Yes.
have stock, we have a good price, and we have a good quality product to offer to you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so just contact us at once, and our mailbox is inform@olympic-cn.com. Okay. Okay. If you have any question, so welcome to contact us right now. Okay. See you next time.